everybody, it's Saturday, April 25th. Welcome back. We have 2 parts for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we have 5 rounds for max repetitions, and we will be working in 20-second increments. So, starting off with 20 seconds of deadlift, following 20 seconds of hang power clean, following 20 seconds of sprawl, and then resting 1 minute in between each round. So a quick reminder on the weight here for the deadlifts and hang power cleans, we're looking for something that is moderate, something that you can cycle for just about the entire time that you're being asked to perform that movement. And ideally you would use the same weight for the deadlift as for the incline. All right, so moving on for part B today, we have an AMRAP. It's going to be 15 minutes. 1 round consists of 6 push-ups, 9 Abmat Sit Ups, 12 jumping squat, followed by 6 push-up, 9 Abmat Sit Up, and 12 Jumping Lunge. Again, that list is 1 round, and we will perform as many rounds of that in 15 minutes as possible. Good luck. We're excited to hear how you did about these workouts. Make sure you post your comments to our notes.